they are closing 3 lanes on this side of the road, on the southbound.
Yeah.
We are moving a Boeing 737 from our Tambo Airport side. We're going to place it on the highway itself. Then they will dismantle the cables and everything, and they'll pick up again from the other side, from Coetzee side, and then they'll lift the aircraft again towards Coetzee's premises.
We're still keeping the traffic live until the actual body of the plane is over the highway. That's when we close the lanes totally.
It's the first time it's ever been done in this country, and in order to move an entire aircraft across a national highway is a mammoth task.
This is part of our contribution to SANRAL towards keeping the economy running and assisting where possible to businesses and the facilities within Gauteng.